Get to know our family members. Learn and play with Shibasish. Objectives. Get to know the members of the family. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe. What is a family? When you are born, you become a member of a group of individuals known as your family. Mother, we also call her mommy or mama. She takes care of our family. She also works at times to provide our needs. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Father, we call him daddy, dad or papa. He takes care of us too and works to provide our needs. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Sister, she is our eldest sibling. She is a girl. She also helps our mother in household choices and looks after us. Sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Brother, he is our eldest sibling. He is a boy. He also helps in the household chores and looks after us. Brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Baby, a baby is a newborn child and the youngest in the family. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Grandmother, we also call her grandma. She is our mom and dad's mother. She takes care of us when mother or father is not around. Grandmother, G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R, grandmother. Grandfather, we also call him grandpa. He is our mom and dad's father. He takes care of us when mother or father is not around. Grandfather, G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. We all are family members. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.